Hello from Strobes-R-Us, a Shift Group brand. My name is Jeffrey Hanina, and today we'll be introducing the Work Ready Package. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need within one box to be Class 1 certified and simplifies your installation process, backed by 25 years of industry expertise. Our Work Ready is offered in 3 different packages, our 360, 360 Plus, and 360 Plus TD. All of those can be very simply operated from the control head located within your cab by simply depressing the button. 360 Plus strobe lights give you coverage all the way around your truck with warning light heads. Work light buttons will activate work lights so you have proper illumination in low light situations. You even have included in your TD package left or right arrow with a traffic advisor. Work Ready includes everything you need within one box as a simplified solution. Every Work Ready package comes complete with its own installation guide, complete with wiring directions and a full schematic showing where to connect each light head, color-coded. All the components are inside of your box. Now that we've unboxed our Work Ready system, I'd like to go over some of the main components, such as our relay box. The relay box that's centrally located has 6 30-amp relays capable of running customer-provided equipment, such as air compressors or snowplows. We also include the proper labels that you can label your touchpad accordingly. With every Work Ready install package, we include a system integration harness. This is key to making the installation go as quickly and as smooth as possible. Every wire is properly labeled and every connector is weather tight with a heat shrink seal. This is what the Work Ready relay box looks like properly installed. Once reading through the install guide, you'll very easily see where to properly hook up your power and your ground leads to the main vehicle battery, power lug, and to the ground lug. We also include the fuse tap for all the different vehicle manufacturers that will give you the backlighting and the ignition source for your control head. Once your control panel is properly mounted on your Work Ready package, you can simply operate the features via the on and off touch buttons on the dashboard. 360-degree strobe lights will cover you all the way around your vehicle with a warning light function. There's a button called Scene that overrides all that to white illumination lighting. You also have a work light button on this package that is high intensity white lighting all the way around your truck. And there's a compartment light that will illuminate all of your compartments on your service body so you can easily locate your tools.